Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about jicama, and I have a list of foods in different categories that are known to go well with jicama. So if you're looking for some new recipe or meal ideas using jicama, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category that includes legumes, nuts and seeds, there's beans in general, but especially black beans, beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, fish, green beans, ham, peanuts, pecans, poultry, pumpkin seeds, sausage, sesame seeds, and shrimp. In the vegetables category that are known to pair well with jicama, we've got arugula, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, chayote squash, chilies, cucumbers, garlic, ginger, horseradish, lettuce in general of all types, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, scallions, spinach, sunflower sprouts, tomatoes, watercress, and zucchini. In the way of fruits that go well with jicama, there's apples, avocados, blackberries, fruit in general, grapefruit, kumquats, lemons, limes, mangoes, melons, olives, oranges, papayas, pears, pineapple, tangerines, and watermelon. In the way of grains and grain products that pair well with jicama, there's corn, millet, noodles, quinoa, rice, and wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's cheese in general, but especially cream cheese, cheddar cheese, fontina, goat, mozzarella, and pepper jack cheese. In the other foods category, there's oil, especially grapeseed, olive, peanut, and sesame oils, soy sauce, sugar, vinaigrette of whatever type you choose, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, rice vinegar, and white wine vinegars. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.